Let's see how to add a chime to a Tapo camera. Here I have this Smart Hub. That's the H200, but it also works with the H100. So here I have my Tapo camera already working with my Tapo app. That's the camera, a Tapo C615F, the floodlight camera, and I can just add this Smart Hub as a chime, all right? So here on my Tapo app, you see that I have both of them working, the Tapo H200 and the Tapo C615F. That's the camera. So I come directly here to the camera and to the gear icon, and I go down to Smart Actions. I tap on it, and here I have some recommended automation. When I leave in home, for example, when it detects lights and different types of automations. I'm gonna use a new one, so I just come here and tap on this plus signal, and I'm gonna use automation. And here there's this when, so it's going to trigger something, so I just add a new trigger. And here device status change, I select this one, and I look for my camera. Basically the camera is going to detect something, so basically it's an event detect. And I select the type of detection. So I come here and I can select motion, I can select vehicle because my camera is looking at the window and I have some vehicles moving there. So I select done here, done again. Now I have my trigger and there's a if condition. I don't have any if condition here. I'm going directly to then, add an action. And here I can control the device, I can control multiple devices, run a shortcut, enable, disable automations. So basically I can just control one device here. That'll be my Tapo H200. And here I can just select ring. Okay, so basically I'm going to sound the chime here for 5 seconds. You can just select the duration. And the sound I can just choose here which one I want. I can just test here. I can use this one, for example. Change the volume here and hit done. Done one more time. And create, right? I can name my automation here and just type this ring chime. So you can put this by the door, for example. Somebody approaches the camera has some motion detection. You can just hear the ring here on the chime or something like this. In my case, I have some cars passing there. So I'm just creating for the cars. And now I have it enabled here, right? I'm just come back here. It's going to chime anytime because when I just see some motion here, it's going to detect. There we go. It's basically working. You see that I have some motions here and it's working with the chime, right? So super simple. And I can just come back here. You see there's some time to trigger the alarm again. Some rest time for the chime. Let me just come back here and I can just disable the smart action if I want to. And I'm good to go, right? So now it's no longer working. Super simple. Basically, that's the way you can add a chime to a Tapo camera and make it work with smart actions. I hope you like this video. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.